This is a $4,000 night vision monocular, and this right here is a $50 night vision monocular, which begs the question, why is this one so expensive and this one so cheap? The answer is because they use two completely different technologies. The device on the left right here uses what's called an image intensifier tube. It's a very expensive, very complicated piece of equipment to manufacture, but it is known as a passive form of night vision. The device on the right, ergonomically and internally, is very similar to a camcorder, which means it's also very cheap. And believe it or not, it can do many of the same things as this device can, with one exception. It requires its own light. Which is why when you look at the front of these devices, you'll notice this one has a huge flashlight on it and this one does not. Now, to be clear, when I use this word flashlight, I'm not actually talking about a visible flashlight. I'm talking about an infrared flashlight, which humans and animals cannot see, but cameras definitely can. So what does that actually look like in the dark? I will show you. Let's go ahead. We will turn off the light. We'll turn on the illuminator. We will find our subject, give it a second, and here you go. As you can see, it actually works reasonably well. But how does it stack up against the $4,000 PVS-14? Let's turn off the light and take a look. As you can see, in some ways, it is definitely a better viewing experience, but the question you need to ask yourself, is it a $4,000 better viewing experience? Now, to be clear, I'm not saying that digital is better than analog. I think we can all agree that they're very different experiences. All I'm saying is that it's not anywhere as bad as some people would like you to think. With that being said, once you guys see our newest product, which is also digital, I think you're going to have a very different opinion.